Is there a secret to getting watermelons to grow large? And this is Katrina from Alexander, Arkansas. She says all her other veggies grow well, but the watermelons are never larger than a cantaloupe. All right? So can we help her out?
Well, I hope so.
Okay.
I'm wondering what type of variety of watermelon she's growing.
That's what I
because the big thing now is small watermelons. You know, the little individual
compact,
sized watermelons. So I've grown large watermelons. My son has even grown large watermelons. But you only have one or two, you only leave one or two fruits on one vine.
Right.
That's how you're going to get some bigger ones. And you've got to watch, you know, is it getting pollinated enough?
Does it have enough space? Yeah,
space.
It's gonna need to sprawl out.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, we have a lot of area that we can sprawl the watermelons in.
Okay.
And you know, pollination is one, and watering. And this is the problem: consistent watering.
Right.
And I know I have trouble with that during the summertime too. But it's consistent watering that they like, and because they need nutrient water a little bit longer, more consistently through the growing season when they're producing. So that's usually the hardest part, is the consistent watering.
I would agree with that. It's a watermelon, right? So it's going to need a lot of water. So it's pretty much 95% water, you know, is what it is. So yeah, consistent watering is going to be huge, right? But again, let's go back to the varieties. It makes a difference, right?
Huge difference.
So there's a couple. Jubilee actually get a pretty good size.
Yeah.
There's a Carolina Cross that actually gets pretty large, and there's another one. It's called Black Diamond. Right, and I'm familiar with those, and they actually get a pretty good size, right? But again, soil fertility, pollination, watering is going to be a key.